Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Carolyn back with another video on how to get better use out of your handbags. So today I wanted to talk about the Dooney and Bourke Zip Zip Satchel. So this is what it looks like. This one's in the pale pink color. It's a great bag because it's a nice size, good capacity, and because of its slender profile, it's very comfortable to carry. The rolled handles are also very comfortable up on the crook of your arm. It has nice capacity, so because it's the zip zip, it zips all the way down the side, allowing you to gain access and visual of everything that's in your bag. Of course, with all my videos, there's always a downside to the bag, and this is no exception. So what's the problem with this bag? The problem is that the shoulder strap attaches to the handles. And same thing happens with the Dooney and Bourke Willis Satchel and a few other bags. And some other manufacturers have the same issue as well. So what does this cause? This causes the handles to flap out like this. It's just not a good design to have the strap attached to the handles. So this is a pretty big annoyance for me, and I'm sure it is for others. So of course I wanted to figure out a way to fix this issue, and my first fix was a pretty good one, and basically I ordered D-ring hardware that I had to get pliers out and compress into the leather strapping, where the same strapping that holds the handle. So that was my first fix, and it did work, but it did require tools and the risk of scratching the hardware. So recently I came up with a better solution, and since I have been experimenting with carabiner clips quite a bit lately, and I'm finding they solve a lot of issues. So what I have done is attached a carabiner clip in the same hole as the handle hardware, and here's a close-up. So this particular carabiner clip is listed on Amazon as a half-inch size, but when I measure it, it's actually 20 millimeters in width. So I used a micrometer to measure this, and so it is a little bit bigger than a half-inch size. So 20 millimeters from outside edges. I've seen some that say 15 millimeters, and I don't know if that's inside dimension or outside, but 20 millimeters seems to be the target measurement here. So carabiner clips, here's one here in a larger size. I ran out of the smaller size, but I can give you a visual. They're spring-loaded clips. This is what they call the 3/4 inch size, and these are good for a lot of things, but they're a little bit too big for this. So with the smaller size, what you would do is open it like this and just slide it through the leather hole where the handle hardware is in, and you want to go behind the hardware for the handle, as you can see here. So you just open it and just work your way through, just slide it through like so, and it'll go behind there, no problem. So let's see what the results are. I am going to get the strap. I'll take it off of this one. You can see it's the same exact strap that I'm using. And this time I am going to, instead of hooking it on the handle hardware, I'm going to hook it on the carabiner clip. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the Opposite side, here we go. So here's your result. I can hold this up, and because it's not attached to the handles, it does not cause the handles to move whatsoever. They stay flat and right up against the bag. So hopefully this helps some who have the same issue. For me, now that I know how to do this fix, I'm actually going to use the same technique on a few other bags. I will list the information on the carabiner clip in my description, and hopefully this helps some people who have the same problem. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll keep bringing more.